So here's a better view of what I've been trying to explain. I have my new piece of tape on my stick, my pencil, and I'm going into the tank at an angle. I have a light shining down in there so that I can see the rust. Like I said, there may be a better way of doing this, but this was my little invention. You can see the dust that I'm getting out, just the dust now, but if you'll look at these other ones I've already done, what I do is I peel this piece of tape off, and you can see each one of these, how much debris, and I get my roll of duct tape, handy dandy duct tape, good for everything. Get a little piece, roll it backwards on itself, I'm sure everybody's done this before, and it's sticky all the way around. I stick it back on my stick, and there I have a sticky pad that I can reach down in the tank. I'm sorry I can't show you the dust down there. I can see it because of the angle of the light, and so I just keep dabbing it. I'm almost got it all out, and I believe that this is the problem causing my no start situation on my generator. Could be mine is a Generac, but this could probably happen to any generator. I think they're all set up the same, basically the same way. So you can see all my different things I've been doing with the tape, and I'll just keep doing this until I get all the debris out of that tank and reassemble. Let you know how it turns out. Thank you.